quantum non-locality. Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most profound, baffling, and magical secrets of our universe. It's a concept that shatters everything we think we know about reality, space, and even time itself. We're diving into the enigmatic heart of quantum physics, into a phenomenon known as quantum non-locality. Forget what you know. Forget the solid, predictable world you see around you. I want you to imagine, for a moment, that reality is not what it appears to be. Think of a pair of magical dice. Not just any dice. These are a bonded pair, created together in a single primordial event. They are twins, forever linked by an invisible thread. Now, I take one die and I give it to you. You then get on a spaceship and you travel to the farthest star in the universe, a journey of billions of light years. You are now impossibly, incomprehensibly far away. Once you're there, you roll your die. It tumbles through the zero-gravity cabin of your ship and comes to a stop. Let's say it lands on a 3. At that exact same instant, back here on Earth, I roll my die. And without any possible signal, without any beam of light or radio wave having time to travel the billions of light years between us, my die also lands on a 3. How? How is that possible? In our everyday world, it's not. Information has a speed limit, the speed of light. Nothing can travel faster. Yet, here, it seems as if the two dice are communicating instantaneously, ignoring the vast cosmic distance between them. This, in its essence, is the mystery of quantum non-locality. It's the universe's way of telling us that separation is, in some deep and fundamental way, an illusion. To understand this magic, we need to go small, unimaginably small. We're talking about the quantum realm, the world of atoms and subatomic particles like electrons and photons. This isn't just a smaller version of our world. It's a world governed by entirely different rules. It's a world of ghosts and potentialities. In the quantum world, a particle doesn't have a definite location until you look at it. It exists as a cloud of possibilities, a shimmering haze of could be here and could be there. Physicists call this a superposition. It's like a coin spinning in midair. It's not heads and it's not tails. It's both and it's neither, all at once. It's only when it lands in your hand that it becomes one or the other. Now let's create our quantum twins. We can create a pair of particles that are entangled. This is the technical term, but I want you to think of it as a sacred bond. They are born from the same quantum event, their fates woven together into a single, inseparable tapestry. We then send them flying off in opposite directions, just like our magical dice. Each particle is in that ghostly state of superposition. Let's say their shared property is spin. You can think of it as a tiny internal compass that can point either up or down. The moment we measure the spin of particle A here on Earth, its ghostly state collapses. Its potential becomes real. Its compass needle snaps to a definite direction, say, up. And here's the part that stunned Einstein himself. The instant particle A is measured and chooses up, its twin, particle B, wherever it is in the universe, whether it's in a lab on the other side of the planet or on a spaceship orbiting a star in the Andromeda galaxy, instantly loses its own ghostly state. Its potential collapses and its compass needle snaps to down. The connection is immediate, spooky, as if the space between them doesn't exist. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. He was deeply troubled by it. It violated the sacred rule of locality, the idea that objects are only influenced by their immediate surroundings. For him, and for our classical intuition, this was like a bad magic trick. He believed there must be some hidden, deeper reality, some secret instruction manual already programmed into the particles at birth that we just couldn't see. But decades of brilliant experiments, from the work of John Stuart Bell to ongoing research today, have confirmed it. The spookiness is real. There are no hidden instructions. The connection is instantaneous and real. The universe is fundamentally non-local. So, what does this mean for us? What does it mean for our understanding of reality? It means that the universe is far more interconnected, far more mysterious, and far more magical than we ever dreamed. The cosmos isn't just a collection of separate stars, planets, and people, isolated by vast stretches of empty space. At its deepest, most fundamental level, it appears to be a single, unified whole. The emptiness of space, the void between galaxies, might not be the ultimate separator we think it is. It might be more like a cosmic canvas, and the particles upon it are interconnected threads in a single, magnificent tapestry. This is where we cross from physics into philosophy, and even into mysticism. For centuries, Eastern philosophies and indigenous wisdom traditions have spoken of the fundamental oneness of all things. The concept of Indra's net, from Hindu and Buddhist philosophy, describes a cosmic net where at every junction there is a jewel, and each jewel reflects every other jewel in the entire net. Touch one, and you affect them all. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Are we, through our powerful microscopes and delicate experiments, finally discovering the scientific basis for this ancient, intuitive truth? Are we proving that we are all, in a very real physical sense, connected? Think about your own body. It is made of atoms that were forged in the heart of long-dead stars. Those atoms have danced through the cosmos for billions of years, and the particles within those atoms, down in the quantum depths, are likely still entangled with partners from their ancient past, scattered across the galaxy. The universe isn't just outside of you. You are a walking, talking part of the universe, and the quantum connections that bind it together are humming inside you, right now. This leads us to the truly mind-bending questions, the frontier of this research. If particles can be instantly connected across space, what about time? Could there be quantum entanglement across time? Could a measurement you make today instantly affect an event that happened 1,000 years in the past? From a certain perspective, physics doesn't say no. The universe might not just be non-local in space, but in time as well. We could be living in a universe where past, present, and future are all simultaneously present, and our conscious journey through it is just a slow reading of a book that is already written, or perhaps is being written as we observe it. And this brings us to the ultimate mystery, consciousness. Why does the act of observation collapse the quantum wave? Why does a particle's potential become real only when a conscious mind, or a measuring device built by one, looks at it? This is the most controversial and thrilling question of all. Is consciousness not just a passive observer, but an active participant in the creation of reality? Perhaps the universe requires a witness to bring it into being. Perhaps we, by the very act of living and perceiving, are the universe's way of looking at itself, of making itself real. In a non-local universe where everything is connected, your thoughts, your awareness, might not be locked inside your skull. They might be a fundamental feature of the cosmos, a ripple in the fabric of the whole. This isn't just science fiction. These are the real, profound implications of quantum non-locality that physicists and philosophers are grappling with today. We are on the verge of a paradigm shift as monumental as the one brought by Copernicus when he told us the Earth was not the center of the universe. Now, we are being told that the separateness we feel from the world, from each other, from the cosmos, is the grand illusion. The universe is one, an entangled, non-local, holographic, and deeply conscious unity. It's a vision of reality that is both terrifying and beautiful. It gives us a new responsibility. If we are all connected, then our actions, our thoughts, our intentions might ripple through this quantum fabric in ways we are only beginning to imagine. The future of our technology, our society, and our own spiritual understanding will be built upon this new, magical foundation. The journey into understanding this is the greatest adventure humanity has ever undertaken. And that is precisely why I'm so passionate about sharing these ideas with you. If your mind is buzzing with these concepts, if you feel that sense of wonder and awe, then I have something very special for you. I have spent years delving into these mysteries, and I've compiled my research and thoughts into a book that explores these ideas in even greater depth. It's called Holographic Multiverse. In it, we go beyond non-locality. We explore the holographic principle, the idea that our three-dimensional reality might be a projection from a two-dimensional surface at the edge of the universe. We dive into the possibility of multiple universes, and what all of this means for the nature of our own consciousness. If you enjoyed this journey today, you will love the book. The link to purchase Holographic Multiverse is in the description below. I think it will truly expand your mind. But for now, I need your help to continue this mission of exploration. If this video sparked a sense of wonder in you, if it made you see the universe in a new, more magical light, then please give it a like. It tells the YouTube algorithm that this is important content. And if you want to join me on this journey to the edges of reality, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We have so much more to discover together. Finally, I am deeply curious about what you think. Does this idea of a connected, non-local universe resonate with you? Does it frighten you? Excite you? What are the implications for how we live our lives? Please, leave a comment down below and let's start a conversation. This is not a monologue. It's a dialogue about the greatest story ever told, the story of reality itself. Thank you for watching. Remember, the universe is stranger and more wonderful than we can suppose. Never stop exploring.